share, and I just received my MojoDesk in the mail. After bringing it upstairs, which will require 2 people because the boxes are fairly heavy, I have everything now opened and staged, ready to go so that we can work together with my crew of installers we have here to put this MojoDesk together. So we have the legs, we have the top, and we have the energy chains and the cables. I did find the shoulder bolts, and now we are going to insert them into the legs with the Allen key. No, honey, don't drop those in there. We're putting these ones in here. Can you hold these for me? I'll need them next. Okay, so I am now screwing in the last shoulder bolt to secure the legs to the base. Okay, so the next step is to attach the feet to the lifting columns using the foot bolts. So I found the foot bolts, and here are the bases. We are going to put those on top of the lifting columns. You need 4 bolts to secure each one. And then we're going to use 2 tabletop screws to attach the sensor to the tabletop. So there are 2 pre-drilled holes, and I am just going to align the safety sensor with those. Okay, so now that we have the safety sensor connected, I connected that to the control box and then connected the hand control to the safety sensor. And we are going to put the Incaps on the base to cover up the holes. So we will take these and put them in. There are 4 on each side, and ta-da! We are secured and everything is ready. Next step is that we are going to flip this table up and plug it in. What we are going to do now is reset the table. You will reset the table by pressing and holding the up and down buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds until you hear a beep. So here we go. Beep, all done. And now what we are going to do is complete the, attach the energy chain to the desk itself to get rid of all of the loose wires that you see underneath the desk, as well as get the mounts ready so that we can put the computers on the table to be able to work from it. So you put this clip into the energy chain and you will slide it into place. And then you use these retaining clips. There are 2. You put 1 on each side. And you will know when it's in place based off of the snapping sound that we just heard. So now we are ready to attach this to the table so that we can run the power cords through it to connect. So we're going to use the magnetic strips that's on the energy chain at the bottom, the center, and the top, and we're going to use those magnetic pieces to connect to our desk so it's nice and connected. Now I'm going to take the power cable and I'm going to feed it through the energy chain using these clips that will hold your cord nice and secure so that you don't have any hanging wires underneath.